It's that time again. It's time to make your vote count for that coveted Golden Saas Award. My name is Jenny Jones, and I will be hosting the Golden Saas Awards this year. For those of you who are unfamiliar with the Golden Saas Awards, it is an award show presented by the Digital Growth Hacks Club. Every year, we comb and scour the LTD community and internet cloud to find some of that year's most impactful SaaS tools. What is that game-changing tool? Who has that unicorn tool that no one saw coming? Who is the best of breed in their category? Who had the best white label tool? Who will take home that distinguished honor of being the Golden SaaS Tool of the Year? This year's show will be broadcasted live, so please check back and look for that notification button or link in the descriptions here on YouTube. As always, vote as soon as the polls open. Please do not forget to share the links with your communities to encourage others to vote as well. Please check back for the announcement of when the polls will open. As a reminder, we are not looking for that popular incentivized tool. Your SaaS community is looking for that impactful, life-changing tool. Thank you.